Good morning to all of you. This is your maths class for today. Now we are going to start question number 8. Find the volume of a cube where each side measure 12 centimeter. That means आपको वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है एक क्यूब का जिसकी साइड 12 सेंटीमीटर है. Okay students, and you all know that what is the volume of cube? Yes, volume of cube, that will be side cube, or we can say side multiplied by side and which is multiplied by side. Okay students, so we have side. $12 centimeter. Okay, so you can find easily. Yes, so the volume of the cube, yes, that will be side what we have, 12. So 12 cube. Okay, and that means 12 multiplied by 12 and which is multiplied by 12. That means 12 3 times लिखा गया है. Okay students, so 12 times 12, yes, 12 multiplied by 12, that will be 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So, okay, and 144 multiplied by 12, that will be, yes, 144 multiplied by 12, 2 4s are 8 and 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. After that 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4, 1, 8, 8 and 4, 12, 4 2 6, then 7 and 1. So, we have 1728. So, 12 centimeter, that means centimeter multiplied by centimeter and which is multiplied by centimeter, that will be centimeter cube. Okay students, so that is your answer. Is that clear? Okay, now the next question is question number 9. Find the smallest number by which 432 must be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect cube. That means आपको smallest number find करना है जो 432 की मल्टीप्लाई किस स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर में करे जिससे जो आंसर आए वो एक परफेक्ट क्यूब हो. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, दैट मीन्स आपको एक स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है जिसकी मल्टीप्लाई करके 432 एक परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. इज दैट क्लियर? सो फर्स्टली वी फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ दिस नंबर. सो 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, then 2 6s are 12. After that 2 1s are 2 and 0 and 2 8s are 16. After that 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. After that 2 2s are 4, then 2 7s are 14. After that 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay students, is that clear? Okay, so now what to do? Yes, we have prime factor of this number. Okay, so prime factor of 432, that will be 2 times 2 times 2 into 2 and 3 times 3 times 3. Okay students, is that clear? Okay, so now we have the prime factors. Okay, now we will make the group, first group and second group. So this 2 is not making the group of triplet. Okay students, that means this 2, okay, 2 is not making a pair, or we can say group of triplet. Okay students, so what to do? Yes, so to make it a triplet, सो इसे एक ट्रिपलेट बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? कैन यू टेल मी? यस, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई, yes, we have to multiply by 2 twice. Okay students, why twice? Because here 1 2, okay, that means only 1 है यहाँ पर, जो 2 है only 1 times है, बट हमें एक ग्रुप बनाने के लिए क्यूब में 3 2 चाहिए. ओके, जैसे 3 का ये ग्रुप बनाया एंड 3 का ये ग्रुप बनाया, तो इसके लिए हमें 2 की और नीड है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हमने क्या किया? 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर दी किसकी? 2 में. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? सो ट्वाइस विद द गिवन नंबर. ओके, दैट मीन्स जो आपके पास नंबर है उसमें हमने 2 को ट्वाइस टाइम मल्टीप्लाई किया. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इज दैट क्लियर? सो हेयर does the required smallest number, that will be 4. Okay, so that is your answer. But listen carefully, 432 एक नंबर है, हमें इसमें बताना है कि किस स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें जिससे ये परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हमें वो नंबर फाइंड करना है. वो नंबर हमने फाइंड कर लिया 4. कैसे? जब हमने इसके फैक्टर्स किए, सो इसमें हमने देखा 2 के भी फैक्टर्स बन गए, 3 के भी. ओके, बट ये जो 2 है ये कोई ग्रुप नहीं बना रहा है ट्रिपलेट का. सो इसका ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमें इसमें 2 और चाहिए. ओके, सो हमने क्या किया? 2 टाइम्स 2 से मल्टीप्लाई की, दैट मीन्स 4 से. सो वो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर तो हमने फाइंड कर दिया. अब हम ये भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि इसका क्यूब रूट होगा क्या, दैट मीन्स ये परफेक्ट क्यूब है किसका. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so how to do? Yes, so number that will be 432 and we will multiply it by 4. 4 is the smallest number. Okay, so what we get? 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, then 1 carry 4, 4 is 16, then 17. So 1728, that means which is a perfect cube. Okay students, and now if we have to find the cube root, so how to find? Yes, the cube root of 1728, that will be, yes, 2 times 2 times 2 into 2. ओके, ये आपके पास गिवन था 432 में, हमने इसमें 2 टाइम्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई की. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड 3 का ग्रुप पहले से ही कंप्लीट था. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल मेक द पेयर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ नो फैक्टर इज लेफ्ट आउट, सो चूज 1 फैक्टर फ्रॉम ईच ग्रुप. सो दैट मीन्स 2 2 and 3. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So that means ये किसका क्यूब रूट है? जो 1728 ये परफेक्ट क्यूब है, दैट मीन्स ये इसका क्यूब रूट है 12. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, वैसे हमें इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है फाइंड करने की, बट ये आपको फाइंड करके दिखाया है कि ये क्यूब रूट है किसका. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जो हमें फाइंड करना था वो था एक स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर 4. ओके, so now the next question is question number 10. Find the age of a cube whose volume is 13824 centimeter cube. That means हमें इसकी क्यूब की एज फाइंड करनी है जिसका वॉल्यूम गिवन है 13824 centimeter cube. Okay students, so we have age of cube we have to find, that means question mark, and we have volume of the cube that is given 13824 centimeter cube, and we know that what is the volume of cube? Yes, in general way, what is the volume of cube? That will be side cube. Okay, so that means they will be equal. So side cube that will be equal to the 13824. Okay, and now then side will be equal to the 13824 and which is raised to the power 1/3. Why? Because ये 3 पावर थी एंड 3 को हमने राइट साइड चेंज किया, सो वो क्या हो जाएगी 1/3. और वी कैन से द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 13824. ओके, so now we have to find the prime factor of this number 13824. So we will try for 2. 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. After that we again divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 5s are 12 and then 2 6s are 12. Okay students, so after that we again divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, okay, 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. After that we again divided by 2. So 2 8s are 16 and 2 6s are 12, then 2 4s are 8. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. After that 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14 and 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so the cube root of this, that will be 13824, that will be equal to the 2 times 2 times 2 into 2 times 2 times 2 into 2 times 2 times 2 and into 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, so now we will make the group. So one group, second group, third group and fourth group. Okay students, so choose one factor from it. So the cube root of 13824, that will be 2, 2, 2 and this one 3. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 3s are, yes, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. So the cube root of 13824, that will be 24, yes, centimeter. Okay, or we can say the age of the cube, that will be, hence the age of cube, that will be 24 centimeter. Okay, so that is your answer. So that's all for today, and if you have any doubts, so you can contact to me. Okay students, thank you.